My name is Kon.
Hello, my name is Sudala.
Today we're so excited to explore you for the Pakse located on the Mekong River in Jamshedpur, southeast of Laos.
Pakse is a junction of street and tourism, which is charming, is natural beauty and traditional culture.
This place is full of the simple lifestyles, local peoples which perfectly combine traditional and modern culture.
Now, we will travel to one of the most important World Heritage Sites, Wat Phu Temple, Champasak. From Pakse, we continue to Champasak to visit Wat Phu Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Along the way, we will see a beautiful views of the rice fields and mountains stretching as far as the eye can see. Most importantly, Wat Phu also has a secret wells which local beliefs in the locations of the powers of the nature.
And they are often merit-making events and big festival here every February.
See you on the next trips. Thank you for the following.
And I hope everyone has the opportunity to experience Wat Phu for themselves. สบายดี